Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're going to discuss branches and divisions, how to create a branches and divisions in Tally. So branches and divisions, we call it as a branches directly, or divisions or affiliates, system concerns and subsidiaries. Okay, so you must be knowing this meaning, so I'm just skipping and teaching you how to enter these things. Branches and the branches sometimes we call directly branches only, so I am entering that also. Branches and division, address of that branch, whichever the state it is. You can put Delhi, Bombay, Kolkata, whichever. I'm more convenient putting this because I'm used to write Karnataka address. So yeah, what is that you have investment, that also you can put branches. Next is divisions. They say division for the branches. Next is affiliation. Now that this affiliate has become very famous word, so it does not require much explanation. Next comes sister concern. This all comes under branches only. Okay. Next is subsidiary alliance or subsidiary branches and divisions. I hope this class is helpful for you guys. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates, and refer for your friends. We do have a institution. We are teaching full-fledged Tally classes. If anybody wanted to join us, you can always join. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.